Folks, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2004 Lance 9.5 foot camper for a long box truck that I took in on trade. Very nice camper. It's hard to find the older used campers that are in nice condition. Let's look at the interior of this. This coach is very clean for a 2004. Has a TV in it, of course the bed, your booth. It has a nice sink, grill top with the gas oven, microwave, the hood, fan. You've got great storage in this particular camper. Some of the campers have very little storage. This has got a lot of storage in it. We'll pull out pantry here. More storage over here. Storage, of course, underneath your booth. Drawer on this side. It's got air conditioning. Your refrigerator freezer is right here. Oops. There you go. Refrigerator with freezer compartment. Nor cold. More storage down here. And right here, nice wet bath. Like I said, it's a Lance 2004 921 9.5 foot camper. It is just got the generator ready box, no generator on board. Ladder to access your roof. A nice side awning. You can get into storage on both sides of the booth on the exterior. Of course, it has the Atwood electric jacks. Folks, this is a great used little camper. Once again, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. You can reach me at 541-521-8914. We've got this and a few other used campers to select from. Thank you.